And today we're going to be looking at the Manton Ezel square-faced military sports watch. So this is the packaging that we have. We've got the bottom half of the box and the top half of the box, and they fit together like this. The box is really nicely designed. We've got the instruction manual and the watch itself. So I'll take you through the functions of the watch, how to set the watch up today. What I can say about this watch is it is 50 meter water resistant. It has a very unique design, square face design, leather straps, and overall it looks very stylish, very smart. So we will go through all the functions of this watch. The first function of the watch is setting the hands of the watch. So there's a little piece when you first take this out of the box, a little plastic piece that you need to pull out, and then you can turn the dial here to set the time, and then push it in, and there you go. Easy enough. One thing you should note is that this needs to be pushed in at all times when you're not setting the time, to ensure the waterproof functionality of the watch. If this is out, then water can seep into the watch, so make sure that that is in. For this video, I'm going to be referring to the buttons by number. So top right button over here is going to be called S1, bottom right will be S2, bottom left is S3, and S4. S4 is your backlight. That is its one and only function. The backlight works in dark conditions, so I'm going to try and make it dark here. There we go. And push S4 for the backlight. There you go. The stopwatch feature of the watch. So this is the main mode where you can see time and day of the week, etc. From this mode we push S3, which S3 is the mode switcher button. So push it once. Now we are at the timer, and we are going to push S1 to initiate the timer. S1 again will pause the timer, and again to start and pause, and then S2 will reset the timer for us. Look at setting the alarm. So from the main mode we are going to push S3 twice. 1, 2. Now unfortunately, let me move this hand out of the way so we can see clearly. Alright, so you can see now that the hour for the alarm is blinking. If we were to push S1, that would change that for us. S2 then switches it to minutes, so we can change the minutes, and then we push the S3 button and we are good to go. The alarm is set. One thing to note about the alarm is that if the alarm goes off, you can snooze the alarm by pushing S1. S1 will snooze the alarm for 5 minutes, and then it will go off again. Enabling and disabling the alarm. Got a bit of dirt there. So it's not very clear to see because it's really small, but right over there you can see a bell icon. This means that the alarm that we set previously has been enabled. If we don't want the alarm to ring, maybe it's a weekend or something and you don't want to be woken up by the alarm, hold S1 and S2. And and I pushed the illumination button there by mistake. So then you can see now that the bell has gone. If I want to enable it again, I will push S1 and S2, and there you go. Disabled, enabled. Setting the date and time. So from the main mode, we're going to push S3 twice. 1, 2, 3. Now you see the number that is blinking there, that is the seconds. So we can use S1 to reset the seconds. and we can use S2 to switch to the next part that we can change. That would be the minutes, so we can change the time and push S2 again, and we can change the hour, push S2 again, and we get to the date. So we've got the days, and push S2 again, and we can change the months. Push S2 again, and you see at the top there it's blinking for the day of the week. So we push S1 to change the day of the week, and S2 again will take us back to the seconds. And then we can push S3 to take us back to the normal mode, and there you are. It is all set. So in summary, this watch has a very unique design. It is quite elegant. Leather straps make it quite comfortable to wear. I like the weighty feel of it. It's definitely not an ordinary watch. It is quite unique in its design. It's all good quality materials, and the watch is, in my opinion, quite a nice and very worthwhile watch.